Hi guys, welcome back to the channel Smart Study with Tasween. So hope you have seen the video. So if you find it's informative, please do like, subscribe and share to many of your friends. Okay. So let's move on to the last part of curriculum evaluation. So the paper curriculum design and development we were discussing. So this is the last chapter, that is chapter unit 5 of curriculum design and development, that is curriculum evaluation. This is the last video of the chapter curriculum evaluation. So let's move on to the topic. We are going to discuss about the models of curriculum design curriculum evaluation. The first model is Tyler's objective model of curriculum evaluation. It is introduced by Ralph Tyler, and there are different stages. That is, stages are formulating objectives, classifying objectives, defining objectives, indicating the active level, selecting suitable level evaluation method, developing evaluation method, then analyzing the data. These are the 7 stages of Ralph Tyler's model. Then the figure says that aims, contents, organizing the procedure, then comes the evaluation. Okay, so it is a straight model. You should write in a para that it is a straight model. Its aim is to center of evaluation is its aim. Important aim of this model is to find out whether the objectives of learning are achieved. Then it is also called aims achievement model. It begins with broad view of evaluation and goes to narrow view of evaluation. Next come the 4 principles of this evaluation model. That is, the first one is definition of appropriate learning objectives. Second one is establishing useful learning experiences. Third one is organizing the learning experience into cumulative effective learning experiences. Then the fourth one is evaluating the curriculum and reviewing it. Just you should write the principles points alone. No need to explain everything. Okay. Next comes the table shows the evaluation procedure of this model. The table is, we should write in 2 columns, that is components of the curriculum and evaluation procedure. Aims or the expected learning outcome, that is evaluating the learning outcomes. Next come context or the background of evaluation, that is opportunities given to the behavior based aims to evaluate the context of evaluation. Next comes the third one, instrument for evaluation, done by selecting, altering and constructing. Okay, that is the instruments. Next come fourth one, using the evaluation instrument, that is using the evaluation instrument to get the suitable results of the evaluation. Okay, next comes the fifth one, that is analyzing results of the evaluation, that is finding the strength and weakness of that curriculum. Okay, next comes the other next comes in below, that is merits of this model. Merits such as begins after defining aims. It is active participation. It involves active participation. It is a simple straight line model. Then comes demerits of this model is, it is narrow, it takes time, few skills evaluated, does not evaluate critical thinking, problem solving and the performance of the student. Next we can see the other model. The other model is Stuffle Bean Curriculum Evaluation Model. It is also called CIPP model. That is context, input, process, product model. Its basic elements are input, process, product. Context comes aims, objectives of curriculum, then history and background, that is the education institution's history background. Then comes input, that is the materials and time duration. Then process, that is teaching learning activities and products. Next comes outcome of the product, that is the outcome of the implementation of the curriculum. 4 results of the model, that is intended goals of the curriculum, means to achieve these goals, then actual to achieve these goals, actual attainments of the implementation of the curriculum. The results are in 2 columns, intended results and ends and actual ends. First ends come. First one, planning and decision making to determine the objectives. Second one, means, that is designing procedure based on the decision taken, that is an intended ends. And the actual ends, first comes the means, that is third one, implementing decisions and to get the results making use of rules and regulations. Then the fourth one, judging and reacting to attainments. These are the results of the evaluation of the model. Okay. Next is the results are grouped in three heads, that is delineating the results, obtaining the data, and reporting the results. That is in this tabular column, that is the aspects of evaluation are context, input, process, and product. Headings of the evaluation is delineating, obtaining data, and the reporting the results. Okay, then the given, that is the heading of evaluation, the below context we have decision making, accountable for the decisions. Then input, below input we have decision making, accountability, and below process we have decision making, accountability. Below product we have decision making and accountability. Delineative means delineating what are the questions to be raised and to examine them. Obtaining data means explaining the data needed and the details to be obtained. Reporting the results means reporting the results of the evaluation. So these are the results summarized in the figure. Okay. Next comes the functions of this shuffle beam. Sorry, evaluation, not functions of shuffle beam CIPP model. That is the finding the alternative way through evaluation, studying the impacts, and the establishing the quality control. You just mention the points. That's enough. Okay. So we have finished this chapter. This much only for the chapter curriculum evaluation. So I have covered almost all the topics of this 5 chapters of curriculum design and development paper. So hope you like the video. Please do like, subscribe, and share to many of your friends, as many friends. Okay. So thank you everyone. So let's be discussing in the next video the next paper. Okay. We have already discussed philosophy of education. We'll be discussing more in that paper. Okay, thank you.